Once all your scores have been recorded, you can begin to publish your results. There are a number of supporting features to assist you with this process, and it depends upon the nature of your event and conditions of competition as to which will serve you best. The features you may select to use are the results report, which is a full detailed report that shows the event standings and includes tie-breaking using a matching card routine, last 9, 6, 3, 1 approach, as suggested in the RCGA manual. The quick scores report, which is a summary report that lists the player standings by flight but does not apply tie-breaking rules. And the final feature would be the prize builder feature, and we'll go into that in a bit detail later. Let's look at the various reports. To start the process, press the Reports button on the main menu. We're going to select the Results Report, scrolling down onto the R's, R01. We're going to be asked to specify the event, which is our test event. We're specifying the first round. And now we also have to specify whether we're scoring by gross or by net. We're going to select gross scores and press OK. Now in your preview window, you can see the results by gross. We'll expand the screen to full preview. And because of the size of this report, it does take a little bit of time. And as you can see, we have our tie-breaking factors, we have our scores, and everything we need to determine the final positions for our event. Now, if we cancel this window, we can look at another report. This time we're going to look at quick scores. And we're going to do quick scores by flight. We're going to specify our event. And we're going to again specify gross score sequence and say OK. This report is a little bit different format, and as you can see, we have the two flights. We have the men's flight and the ladies' flights, and we can see the results. Now if we had results in for round 2 and 3, they would be accumulated and they'd be sorted in this order, under gross and under net. Let's look at our prize builder feature. To access this feature, press the Prize Assignment button on the main menu. Select our event and press OK button. The system will provide you with a Manage Prize List screen, and this screen is divided into 5 zones. You have our identification zone. Also in that zone now we have the opportunity to select our overall flight or flight ladies or flight men's. We're staying with overall. And in the upper left-hand window we have a list of all the players in order of their gross score. In the right-hand side we have a list of all the players in order of their net score. At this point we will just simply drag players from this gross score listing into the lower area of the screen, which identifies our gross prize winners. So in this case, Libby Donalds is our overall low gross winner. Peter Ahn is our second low gross, and John Davis our third. We've noticed when we do that those players are eliminated from the list on the net standing. So if we were to select 3 net winners, we would just simply select the next 3 available winners. Having done that, we have now determined who our overall winners are. We could select a winner from the ladies' flight, and we could select a gross winner from the men's flight as well. And once we've done that, if we've determined those are the winners that we are interested in, we can then bring up our supporting report. To do that, click on the Reports button, select the report, which is R06, Prize Winners, select the event, and press the OK button. We're going to hit the full preview button and take a look at the entire report. And what we're presented with is a list of our 6 overall winners, 3 by gross, 3 by net with their accompanying scores, our low gross men's winner, and our low gross ladies winner, who are not part of the overall selection. Well, that ends our results handling. I want to thank you for spending the time with us to go through this video, and best of luck with all your tournaments of excellence.